Have you ever seen a regular-looking guy with a super pretty girl and wondered how he does it? If you are scratching your head over this, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to let you in on a secret that seems confusing at first. It is not about how handsome he is compared to you. In fact, you may even be better looking. The real trick is all about skills. This guy knows exactly what to say and do to make a girl feel special. By the end of this video, you will learn key social skills that not only make you more appealing, but can turn casual interactions into lasting attractions. Number 12. Stay silent. Silence is a potent tool in new interactions that is a way to build curiosity and deepen connections without words. Engaging in friendly conversation initially sets a comfortable tone, but it is the moments of silence, punctuated by eye contact and warm smiles, that truly invite mutual interest. These pauses allow thoughts and feelings to surface and spark curiosity about the other's thoughts. Demonstrating the ability to not immediately react to every statement shows maturity and thoughtfulness. Silence in conversation with her suggests a deep engagement with the exchange, and it encourages a more meaningful dialogue. When you reduce the frequency of interactions over time, such as sending a single thoughtful text instead of constant messaging, she will be a lot more intrigued to know about your routine and whereabouts. This creates a sense of longing and keeps the relationship interesting. Number 11. Listen more. Active listening is important. It conveys genuine interest and care for her thoughts and feelings. When you are fully focusing, making eye contact, and acknowledging what she is saying, you show engagement and respect. Observing not just the words, but also the tone and body language provides a fuller understanding of her emotions and intentions. Also, ask her open-ended questions based on the conversation you guys had. This encourages further sharing and lets her open up more deeply. This approach not only makes the conversation more enriching, but also signals to her that her experiences and feelings are valued. Number 10. Look her in the eye. Eye contact is fundamental in establishing trust and showing confidence. Many men fail to utilize this effectively, either by avoiding eye contact or by making it awkwardly intense. Proper eye contact conveys confidence and interest while setting you apart from others. And let me tell you, when you talk while looking her in the eyes, it sends chills down her spine. This nonverbal cue plays a vital role in first impressions and ongoing interactions by signaling interest and sincerity. Practicing eye contact can be as simple as recording oneself speaking to improve comfort and effectiveness in maintaining eye contact. Number 9. Work on your body language. Body language is crucial in enhancing how you are perceived during conversations. Facial expressions are a key component of body language, and they play a significant role in nonverbal communication. They account for a substantial portion of how messages are conveyed. A simple, subtle smile can drastically change the dynamic of an interaction with a woman and make you appear more welcoming and engaging. This approachability and perceived fun nature make you someone a woman is naturally attracted to. When talking to her, engaging with a slight smile rather than a neutral or indifferent expression can make conversations more lively and interesting. Also, this will foster a connection that can make her addicted to you. Number 8. Build familiarity. Creating a sense of familiarity is a powerful strategy for forming connections that can lead to a deeper attraction. One effective method to achieve this is through compliments, which can make her feel recognized and valued. Paying attention to and complimenting a woman on her choice of jewelry or outfit, for example, shows that you notice and appreciate the effort she puts into her appearance. This acknowledgement can transform you from an unnoticed presence into someone significant in her eyes. Regularly practicing this technique will not only make you more adept at giving genuine compliments, but also help in establishing a memorable rapport that can make a woman more drawn to you. Number 7. Find the right topic to talk about. During the initial stages of dating, you must find appropriate topics for conversation. Discussing subjects that you both find agreeable can make the way for a smooth and enjoyable interaction. Make sure to avoid contentious topics because it helps in maintaining a harmonious atmosphere. Besides that, it also prevents any potential discord that could sour the mood. Steering clear of trying to overly impress with exaggerated claims or showcasing superiority is also advisable, as it creates a more relaxed and genuine exchange. Finding common ground in conversations not only makes the interaction more pleasant, but also increases your appeal. In this way, a woman becomes more intrigued and interested in spending time with you, and that is your main goal, right? Number 6. Don't limit yourself to just one girl. Always remember to expand your horizons beyond a single interest. Limiting your romantic attention to just one individual can narrow the scope of your potential connections. Naturally, attraction to a particularly appealing person is understandable, but spreading your focus among several can surprisingly boost your attractiveness. When you interact with multiple women, particularly in scenarios where the one you are most interested in can observe, you will ignite a competitive spark. Psychological theories support the notion that a slight jealousy can more effectively grab a woman's attention. When she observes your lessened availability and your social engagements with others, this will prompt her to show more interest, as evidenced by changes in her behavior or communication style towards you. Number 5. Offer thoughtful gifts. When it comes to gifts, thoughtfulness trumps extravagance. It leans heavily on the thought behind the gesture rather than the grandeur of the gift itself. Early in the dating phase, simple gestures like giving flowers can strike the perfect chord, being both romantic and considerate. Such actions show that you are thoughtful without overburdening her with the expectation of reciprocation. Overly grand gifts can create unwanted pressure and will not necessarily impress her in the way you hope. Instead, focus on making her feel special and respected through meaningful, well-considered gifts that enhance the experience of your time together. When guys are considerate about her feelings, this makes them 100 times more attractive and she becomes instantly addicted. Number 4. Ignore her a little. Well, somewhat counterintuitively, showing less attention at times to someone you find appealing can actually heighten their interest in you. Ignoring someone you are interested in, strategically, can make you more desirable to them. But this tactic requires a delicate balance. It is effective only when she is already into you. Temporarily ignoring her for a while after engaging in lively conversations can create a sense of longing. This approach is just like savoring a delicious meal, but not being able to finish it. You leave them craving more. If she reaches out during this period of strategic ignorance, it is a clear sign of her growing interest and investment in your relationship. Number 3. Compliment her the right way. Complimenting a woman effectively goes beyond mere physical appearance. It involves recognizing and appreciating her for her efforts, intelligence, and personality. A genuine compliment, delivered with a sincere smile, can significantly impact how she perceives you. Acknowledging her hard work or achievements, for instance, shows that you value her for more than just her looks. For example, you can acknowledge her dedication and achievements by saying, "I have noticed how hard you work and the passion you put into your projects. You are incredibly talented, and that is something I truly admire about you." This approach not only makes her feel seen and appreciated, but also deepens your connection by demonstrating that you are attentive to her qualities and accomplishments. Such compliments make you memorable and can intensify her attraction to you as they reflect a level of interest and care that goes beyond superficial attributes. Number 2. Leave her in a state of euphoria. Creating memorable moments that leave a woman wanting more is similar to a state of euphoria. When you two engage in deep conversations and then intentionally pause them at their peak, you create a longing for more interaction. This technique, similar to the craving induced by euphoria, makes you an irresistible presence in her life. The anticipation and desire for another exhilarating conversation with you can lead to an addiction to your company. Making sure that the conversations end on a high note not only keeps her intrigued, but also positions you as someone whose presence is deeply enjoyable and sought after. Number 1. The 3-Minute Theory. The 3-Minute Theory emphasizes the power of first impressions and the importance of using someone's name to establish a quick connection. Make sure to carefully incorporate her name into your conversation so that you signal you are genuinely engaged and interested in her as an individual. This subtle yet effective method can significantly fast-track the bonding process and make you stand out in her memory. However, you must always strike a balance to avoid coming across as overbearing. Properly executed, this strategy enhances familiarity and comfort, so you become a person she is more likely to be drawn to. Conclusion. Getting a girl to really notice you isn't just about being the life of the party or always being out and about. Listen to her, really listen, and compliment her on things that matter, not just her looks. It is all about making her feel special and understood. Do these things, and you are not just another guy to her. You are someone she will want to keep around. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.